How do you guys see that marketing judgment fitting into the equation? How do you kind of stay on top of that, that balance point of applying human judgment into what the AI is building?
Absolutely. I think that's one of the biggest struggles that we see in marketing teams today is, the definition of what is good is very subjective and, maybe lives in the brains of a person or a handful of persons on the team. And how do you expand that out to everyone? It may sound easy to, oh, I'm just going to have a Claude skill that is trained on our voice that's going to help us do that. But that is creating some problems in that is everyone working from the same skill? Is one person's skill up to date and using the latest greatest and another person's is way out of date? What has the skill been trained on? Has your brand changed over time? Has a new leader come into either your organization or your marketing team that has maybe impacted in some way, what the definition of good is, and how are you maintaining that prompt over time? What people need instead is, a tool that is going to be right there alongside them and make it much easier for you to configure what the brand is and democratize that across your team. What you need is really like specific tactical edits within the content that you've already put a lot of time and energy into getting to where you want it to be in order to,
Yeah.
double check that things are right and be ready to move along the road.